Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bias on YouTube channel. I am Moganathanari. If you like our channel videos, please click the subscription button and support to me, join the channel memberships. Let's go to the today video. Today we will discuss topic how to analyze Welch's ANOVA in the OriginPro software. This is a data. The data for the already entered in the OriginPro worksheet. The first one column of the factor. We take the 5 factor A, B, C and D and the E 5 factor we take. The Welch's ANOVA only analyzed for the 3 and more than factors only. Then this is the data column. Then this is for the Welch's ANOVA icon. Then I can install for the OriginPro software. Go to the OriginPro website. Click the download button. Download the Welch's ANOVA app. The installation method. Then download the Welch's ANOVA OPX file. Then drag and drop into the OriginPro XF. Then will appear in the app the gallery window. Okay, this is the Welch's ANOVA. The click the Welch's ANOVA buttons. The open the new tab for the Welch's ANOVA. The first one for the factor. The select for the factor column. Select the factor. The next one for the data. The click the data. Okay, the next for the significant level, the standard for the 0.05 percentage. Okay, if you change the 0.01 percentage or 0.01 percentage, anyone you choose that. The standard value for 0.05 percentage. Okay, then next click the OK button. They open the new tab for the Welch's ANOVA the result. The first one for the table in the Welch's test. The first one for the difference of freedom number in the 4 and DFDN for the value 4.85092. Then next one for the FLE for the Welch's table the value the 158.55142. The next one for the p value for the mentioned to the scientific value. The scientific value converted to the normal value. Copy the value, go to the converter. Okay, this converter link they mentioned to the description box. Okay, they paste the scientific value, change to the capital letter E to small e. Okay, then click the calculate button. Okay, the value converted. The value for 0.401888347. This is for the significant value. The p value for the Welch's ANOVA. Then next one for the games whole well the pairwise comparison test for the different factors. The factor B and A the pairwise comparison for the mean difference 95.66667. The standard error value 11.45038. The t value for the table value in the pairwise comparison test 8.35489. The proof value 0.01936. The alpha value for the standard in the significant value 0.05. The significant 1. The significant 1 is indicated for the statistically significant for the pairwise comparison test. Then next one for the LCL. The LCL meaning for the lower control limits. The value for the B and A the comparison 29.86473. And UCL for the upper control limits. The value for the BA factor 161.4686. Then next one value for the factor C and A the comparison for the came Goldberg's pairwise comparisons minus 32.66667. The standard error value for 5.49747. The table value for the minus 5.94212. The proof value for the 0.02399. The already the standard value for significant 0.05. The significant value 1. The LCL value minus 58.54716. The UCL value for minus 6.78617. The next one for the comparison the factor D and factor A. The factor D and A the mean difference value minus 49 find the 33333 and the standard error value 13.1445. The table value minus 3.75316. The proof value 0.09412. The standard value alpha value significant is 0.05. The significant value for the 0. The 0 mentioned to the non-significant because the significant value is higher than the proof value. The significant value 0.05. The highest value in the proof value 0.09. Okay, the next LCL value for the factor D comparison for the V, the minus 110.29925. The next one for the UCL value 11.63254. The next for the comparison, the factor, the whole Helms whole were the pairwise comparison, the D factor A and D factor D comparison to the C. The means difference value 79 and the standard the error value 8.47873. The table value 9.31743. The proof value 0.01573. The significant value 1, the LCL value 2 9.30235, the UCL value 1 to 8.69675. Okay, the next one for the factor comparison, the factor E and factor A comparison for the mean difference 93.33333 and standard error value 5.55778. The table value then 17.530. Then next to the proof value for the mention to the scientific value 5.21048. The value copy. Okay, the copy. Go to the scientific calculation. Okay, the paste the value. Click the calculate button. Converted the value 0.0052104. Okay. The value for the alpha value significant, the LCL value 7141801, the UCL value 123248665. Okay, the next one for the Helms-Holtz pairwise comparison is E factor E and comparison for the factor C. The means value 130, the standard error value 4.5704 and the T value 28.44367. Then proof value, scientific value for the 4.40537, the copy value. Okay, go to the scientific calculator. Okay, change the small e. Click the calculate button, then converted value. Okay, the 0.40440537. Okay, this is a statistically significant value, the significant mentioned for the one. Then next one for the LCL value 109.67089 and the UCL value upper control limits value 150.32911. The next one the final comparison for the Helms-Holtz pairwise comparison in the factor E and comparison for the factor D. The mean value 51, then standard error value 8.51795. Then next to the table value 5.98735. Then proof value 0.04603. This alpha value always standard 0.05. The significant value 1. The statistically significant and the pairwise comparison the factor E and D. Then lower control limit value the 1.683538. Then upper control limits value 100.31462. Okay, this is for the analysis method in the Welch ANOVA. Thank you for watching this video. Support to me, please join the channel membership. Okay, thank you.